Sometimes it is necessary to create folder on remote SFTP or FTP server. This is a rather trivial operation which can be done using FTP create folder action. So all we need to do to drag and drop it. Then we need to select connection, already created connection. And we need to select remote folder. Let's connect. So we want to use home. And we want to create temp folder. Let's run it and see what happens. It's all completed. Let's check that the folder actually exists. Yes, here it is. We have the folder. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding your business process automation, please go to our support forum and ask it there, and we will do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.